Hi, welcome to ice making tips and tricks from Supercold. Did you know your Supercold bullet ice cube making machine is capable of making bullet ice of different weights and sizes? Let me show you how it's done. To adjust the diameter of the cube, you can simply adjust the ice production time on our process timer. A shorter ice production time gives you a smaller size of ice cube. To adjust the height of ice, simply raise or lower these pins. These pins determine the level of water inside the tray, which ultimately decide the height of these bullet ice cubes. Now that you know how it's done, try it out and let us know how you like it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.